engage with the society around us. So without further ado, I would now like to invite Mr. Rs.100 Crores, the co-founder and chief executing officer of all Laddus, to provide us with some insights on.
Quite a few things are happening in Chennai. There is no dearth of, we had a vision and what we delivered as a product. So that's so much about the product landscape and the market acceptance. Now I'm going to invite my the principal founder, Croresin, is the managing director of the company, to come and take us through the product offerings and the strategy and the fundraising goals that we've got.
வணக்கம். தமிழ்நாட்டில் பிறந்து தமிழ்நாட்டில் படிச்சதால ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக தமிழில் பேச முடியும். ஆனால் the problem in talking after Damu speaks, all the juicy stuff which is required for you he has presented, right? Mine is going to be a little bit of why the small company from. If some product is to be sold, everybody will think saying that சாப்பிட்டு பார்த்துட்டா பரவாயில்ல ஈஸியாக வாங்கிடுவாங்க. Or sampling anywhere in the world. We spend 1.5 years studying what makes a person buy a product, and this is a subject called haptics. We designed this entire packing, and the best feedback what I have for you from the world, இது பார்த்தா இந்தியாவிலேருந்து வந்த மாதிரி தெரியல. This meets international standards. So we are selling package. If it's getting delivered in some part of the world, that's the engineering what we bring as a team, and that's what is that point all about. Second, all of us grew. If anybody is above 40-45, you will have investment, and that gives us the comfort that we will be able to set up plants around the world and make it possible for them to have fresh laddus. It's not only the patriotism of the color what you see over here, it's a modern day kind of innovation by us. This is a dispensing machine. In future you are not going to be going to a store and wait for somebody to come and give you one product. You're going to just flip your mobile, you're just going to do your transaction. This is going to vend laddus to you. $1 from friends and family. And the message for business, especially the funding community, is about a woman who visited India, kept buying these laddus. Not only the product was good, but the entire way the company dealt with her was good.
The second is Mr. Rs.100 the chief executive officer and a co-founder of all Laddus, who is a sales veteran and marketing.